Hey everyone, today we're going to do an integration with Formstack. So we're going to integrate Go for Clients with Formstack forms. And it's super easy. We're going to do it today to trigger an automated response to our leads via email. And we're also going to launch an internal notification via email that's going to reach our marketing team, our sales team, or our call center, whomever is in charge of reaching out to those leads. Those two things are very important. So getting ready to just dive into this, click on the login, and we're going to go to form automation. We're going to choose one of the available templates. And as I said, we're going to trigger an internal email notification and an email auto response. So we're going to use this template. All right, this is just the initial setup. It is going to be triggered via webhook, so that's fine. The email, both are going to be emails. Go for Clients just wants to know what the origination email address is going to be. Once I've chosen that, that's my work email. I'm going to go ahead and click Build Drip. This is what I like about Go for Clients. It already has everything done for me. So I just need to do the very quick setup and I'm ready to roll. We're going to start with that webhook. It says start here, right hand side. Click on that. And the first thing that it does, it provides me the link that I need to use to paste wherever the webhook is. So I'm going to copy that. There it is, copied. And now I'm going to show you in Formstack where you're going to make sure you apply this setting. So I have here the forms. I've created a form. It's called Go for Clients. I'm pretty sure you've already built yours. If not, you start here with Create Form. So I already have my form. And when I click on that form, here are the fields that I have. Dismiss this. All right, fantastic. So my forms, here's Go for Clients. I just created it. And so I have a name field, a mobile phone, an email, maybe a comment field right there. And so great, I have it. So this is what I want you to do. You're going to come here to settings. And once you're in settings, look for the emails and actions right here on the left hand side. Select that and scroll down to the bottom, and here where it says advanced settings. So the webhook is kind of hidden in Formstack, but right here where it says advanced settings, go ahead and open that. And so you're going to see that you could add a webhook. You could just add a new one if you've never created one, or if you already have one, then go ahead and edit it if you want to use that same one. And this is what's going to show up, whether it's a new one or an edit. It's the same menu. So I gave it a name. I'm going to call it Go for Webhook so I can remember. And this is the URL. So this is where we're going to paste that link that we just copied from Go for Clients. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste it. And of course, I'm going to save. Make sure these settings are the same. The content type we want it in JSON. The rest I left it like it was, and I'm going to save that webhook. That's it, guys. This is perfect. So now I've saved that webhook. I'm going to go back to that form. Here it is. And what I want to do is I want to share that form. Because I need it. Forget about this. You don't need this. And so here it says copy a link to the form. Copy it, guys, and just go ahead and paste it on a new tab so that we can use that form. And there's that form. Perfect. I'm not going to touch it right now. I'm going to go back to Go for Clients. And so I'm going to continue with that setup process. So now that I copied and pasted the link, I'm going to say next step. Now Go for Clients is saying step 2 of 3. It's waiting for the data to reach it, to reach Go for Clients. So for the data to reach, we need to actually send data from that form. So I'm going back to that form and I'm going to fill it out. I have some pre-filled information right here. I'm going to use it. I'm going to say right here, demo, please. Right, fantastic. So I have every field filled out, and let's submit the form. When I submit it and I go back to Go for, you can see that immediately all that data came through. So right now, this means that data has been received and the integration was successful. Very easy. Let's go to the next step, which is mapping. Mapping just means associating the fields, meaning the fields from the form. Let me go back to this form. There it is. So all these fields, the name field, the mobile phone, Go for Clients needs them to send a notification to your team or to send that auto response email. We want to capture the name. So some of the fields already are mapped. You can see here that for the name field that we need, it is choosing from the name. Perfect, Juan. The email, it is choosing it from an email field. So that's pretty straightforward. Let's say that this message tag, it's not active and I want to activate it because I have a fourth field. That field was comments. So here it is. I find comments and I choose it. If I couldn't find that field, I could use the see data and see what the name is. So for example, I can see that Juan is coming through the name first, or that the comment, the demo please, is coming from comment. So I can really make it easy on myself if I need to search for those fields. So the association is done, that mapping is finalized. So I just go to actions. Actions just means how long is it gonna take Go for Clients to trigger, to launch that email notification and that email auto response. I have it as soon as, just because that's what Go for is about. It's about immediacy. It's about reaching out to your leads, to your customers as soon as possible because they're hot, they're needing information. There's a stat that says that if you don't reach out to a lead, or if you reach out to a lead within 1 day, it reduces the probability of that lead becoming a customer by 60 times. And let's say it just takes you an hour. Well, it still reduces that probability by 7 times. So you can see that immediacy is really important. Regardless, we understand that you have different flows to follow, different processes. So you can choose seconds, minutes, hours, days, whatever you want. I'm gonna leave it as soon as for this demo. All right, fantastic. So I'm sorry, I clicked out of there. So next step, we were doing the association. We had done then the actions, leave it as soon as, go to the next drip. And the drip is the next, the little units right here. So it took us to the email unit. This email unit, we're gonna configure it. The name of the unit is email. Here's what it says, the welcome, the subject, welcome name. I'm gonna leave it like that. You can change it if you want. That's all. That's what's so powerful about Go for Clients, that you can personalize everything to what you need. There's a pre-header. Even the email template, I could change the design by just clicking on here and choosing one of the available templates that Go for Clients offers for email. Or if you're designed your own, go ahead and use that. But right now I'm happy with my selection, so I'm not gonna change it. And then the next unit that we need to configure is, of course, the notification. It's gonna send an email. That's what we said. We're gonna send an email as an auto response and also an internal notification via email. I'm gonna change the email address right here. I'm gonna send it to where my team is. So let's say that my sales team is at this email address. So I'm gonna send it to them. And there it is. So I'm gonna send it to that email address for them. Oh, I keep clicking out. Again, you can change the subject, whatever you need, but I'm happy with everything. So this is it, guys. That's how easy it is, how quick it can be done. I'm just gonna save this. Let's put this, that this is the webhook with Formstack. I'm gonna put it like that, and it's a test. And fantastic, I'm gonna save it. And there you go. It's saved. The drip is ready to start production. It is in blue, meaning it's active. All we need to do right now is test it. So let's go ahead and test it. We're gonna go to that form and we're gonna run it once again, right? Demo today. I'm gonna change this a little bit. Demo today, please. So we wanna, this guy, I'm gonna play a role here as I'm the lead. And as a lead, I just filled out this form and I'm gonna send it and see what happens, right? And so let's submit that form. And what's gonna happen is that the Go for Clients drip that you just designed will trigger that notification and that email, that auto response. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna share my mobile phone screen with you. And you can see at the bottom that I already received 2 emails. I'm gonna go ahead to those emails and there you go. I have those emails. So playing the role of a lead, I just received a welcome. Hey, welcome Juan. It's personalized. It's giving via my name and it's saying welcome Juan. And you know, that little image that is missing here, it's reserved for your logo, for your company's branding information, whatever you guys want to put there. But look how quickly it responded to me as a lead. Now, I also want to play the role of, let's say, sales or marketing. Hey, I need a notification when a lead comes. Well, here it is. Go for Clients. You have a new lead. It's Juan. and it gives me the information. Look, the name is Juan, the email, the mobile number. It says that he wants a demo today. So I know that as a team, we need to get in touch with this person right now. He wants to buy from us. So this is what's going to really drive those sales, increase those conversions. And you just saw how easy it was. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time.